Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to convert JPEG to PNG. So there's actually multiple ways to actually do this, so I'll be showing you those ways. So the first way that you could do this is via a website. So just open up any browser that you have right now and basically go to this specific website, which is jpeg to png.com. Now from here, what you want to do is basically just drag in the file that you want to convert. So I have this file here just to show you. I have this sample JPEG file here, as you can see. So we want to convert this to PNG. So from here, you could either click on upload files or just basically drop your files in here. So just drop in here, and from here what you want to do is you just need to click on the download button here. But if you uploaded multiple photos, you can click on download all button here. So for example, just click on download and it's going to start your download, and as you can see right now, the file has been successfully converted to PNG. So when we right click on it, go to properties, you will see the file format now in PNG, while the previous file is actually in JPEG format. Now this is the first way. How do we do this without using the internet? Well, you could actually do this via your Windows 10 applications. So here, locate the file, just right click on it, and from here you want to use the option that says open with. Now in here, you want to open the file itself via the Paint 3D option here. Now in here, what you want to do is you want to go to the top left screen that says menu. Just click on it, and from here you want to look for the option that says saves as. Now here, just click on it, and from here you want to click on image. Now here it's going to choose let you choose where you want to download this one. So for this example, you want to download this into downloads. Now here, what you want to do is you want to choose the save as type. Just click on it, and from here you want to go to PNG. In here, you just need to click on save, and it's going to actually save our file. So here, since I already downloaded this one on a previous method, I'm just gonna click on yes, and this one to replace it. Now here, when we go back into our download section, as you can see, this is the another way for us to actually convert our JPEG file into PNG. So same thing, this is the new PNG file here. Now another way that we could actually convert our JPEG file into PNG is we could actually basically use any tool that we have right now. So you could either use Canva or Photoshop for this one, but as an example, I'll be using Photoshop. Now in here, I already opened up the file in here, but I'll be showing you how to open this up here. So I'm just gonna open up my desktop. So here, just gonna drag it in the tab section of Photoshop, and it's going to open up in here. So let's just open this up real quickly again, and here, the JPEG file. And here, so the great thing about PNG is you could actually use the PNG file that has like transparent backgrounds. So sometimes PNGs would have transparent backgrounds, or a portion of them would have transparent sections on them. So let's just erase a few parts in here. So as an example, I'm going to unlock the layer and basically delete a certain portion here and make that part basically transparent. Now in here, I want to actually start erasing this section here, and I want to save this as PNG. Now once you've erased the certain section here for the PNG file, you want to click on the file at the top left of the screen, and from here you want to click on the section that says export. So it's going to say quick export as PNG, but we want to use the export as option. Now in here, we want to use PNG, and from here, just click on export. And here, it's going to ask us where we want to download or save this one. So we want to save this on our desktop, and just click on save. Now when we close this one and go to our PNG file here, as you can see, when we go ahead and open this one, you will see a certain section is now transparent with the use of that tool. So the same, just to compare, as you can see, this section is not yet erased, and this one is now transparent, as you can see right now. So those are the ways for you to convert your JPEG to PNG, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.